In this video, you're going to learn where to buy and how to cook the most tender venison right here in Japan. Plus, you'll learn the nutritional benefits of venison, how venison compares to other red meats such as beef, and my two favorite venison dishes, one served hot and one served cold. I'm Rich Golden with GX2 and let's get cooking. Venison is a red meat like beef. And just like beef, venison is both delicious and nutritious as it's high in protein, zinc, and iron. But unlike various cuts of beef, venison is lean, which means it has less fat and therefore less calories per serving, and venison is actually more affordable than beef if you know where to buy it. I purchased my venison online from a store called Kariudo no Takumi, which I would like to translate into English as the art of the hunter. This store sells wild-caught, grass-fed, natural Hokkaido venison, and it's shipped to your apartment in a refrigerated truck, so it arrives frozen just like this block here. Then all you have to do is put it in your refrigerator, let it defrost overnight, and then it looks like this block right here. So now sit back, relax, and let me show you how venison is done. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. As your oven is preheating, prepare the venison by cutting it into slices about an inch thick. Take this opportunity to cut off any extra fat. Once you're done cutting the venison, use a disposable kitchen towel or paper towel to soak up the extra moisture. Finally, add salt and pepper to taste. Once the oven is done preheating, cook the venison for 5 minutes. Flip the venison over and cook for another 5 minutes. And that's how venison is done. Now there's two ways I like to eat venison. First is as venison steak served with some grilled veggies. Second, if there happens to be any venison left over, you can put it in your fridge and then eat it for lunch the next day as part of a roast deer salad, which is what I have right here. Let's eat. Itadakimasu. That's good. Even the next day, the venison is still tender and really soft and, of course, delicious. So did you learn the benefits of venison, where to buy it, and how to cook it? If so, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And now, it's your turn. Which dish are you going to try first? Are you going to try the venison steak served with grilled veggies? Or are you going to try the roast deer salad? Let me know by leaving a comment below this video right now. And until next time, keep on cooking.